Hi everyone. Today we are making a video on prawn fry. These are the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients except corn flour and rava in a mixie to attain a paste. Do not add corn flour and rava. It will be added later. Marinate the prawn. This prawn meat comes from 1 kilo of raw prawn. After marinating, leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix the corn flour and rava, so it will be a coating to the prawn. Then refrigerate it for half an hour. Now we will start the frying. Coconut oil is used here. When the oil is heated, we add curry leaves. It will give a flavor to the oil. The flavor of the curry leaf will be added to the oil, and later we will remove that curry leaves. After the frying is completed, we can add this curry leaves into the prawn. We will add prawn one by one with hand. It is better to use hand for putting the prawn. You can also use spoon. If you use spoon, it will fall in bunches of 2 or 3 or 3 or 4. So it won't be better cooked. Using your hand is better. Always watch the flame. Stir it slowly. The prawn must be fried in 3 or 4 batches. Like this, you can stir the pan itself, so the oil will be mixed thoroughly. Be careful while doing so. While selecting prawn, you must select big prawn. If the prawns are small, it will be difficult for cleaning purpose and also in the cooking purpose. Now the frying is almost over. Yeah, see it. Wonderful. Try this at home. And do subscribe those who have not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.